Hello again. Today we're talking about rational equations, and we're identifying the x-intercepts and vertical asymptotes. So first we're going to find the x-intercepts. And remember, the x-intercepts are what you get when you set the top of the fraction equal to 0, because that will automatically make y equal 0. Okay? So I have my x squared plus 5 equals 0. Well, I can't factor that, so I'm going to subtract 5 on both sides of my equation. I'll cancel those 5's, and now I have x squared equals negative 5. Well, I'm going to take the square root of both sides. And if I take the square root of that, I am left with the square root of a negative number. Well, we could just say that this is I times the square root of 5, but we are looking for real x-intercepts, and imaginary intercepts don't exist. So I would say if I ever get a situation like this where I have x is equal to the square root of a negative number, then I would say there are no x-intercepts. Now we're going to find the vertical asymptotes. And remember, the vertical asymptotes are where the bottom is set equal to 0. All right, so we're going to set the bottom of the fraction equal to 0, because if the bottom of the fraction is 0, you can't divide by 0, so that's impossible, right? So we're looking for where the bottom of the fraction would be 0, and that will be the asymptote. So we have 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Well, I'm going to add 1 on both sides of the equation. I will cancel those 1's. Now I have 4x is equal to 1. Now I'll divide both sides by 4, and x equals 1/4. So my vertical asymptote is x equals 1/4, and there are no x-intercepts. Hope that helps.